Hi and what's up? If you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple and amazing. And in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make skewers, and it's going to be a very simple process, but the end product is going to be so delicious. So stick around until the end of the video and learn how to make mshikaki at home. So to get started, I have a few ingredients for this recipe. So I have meat, I have assorted capsicum, paprika, garlic powder, and cumin, and oil. That is all I'm going to be using for this recipe. So I'm going to pick my salt because it is also a main ingredient, and I've already cubed my meat. I'm using mbuzi or goat meat. What is goat meat called in English? Is it mutton? Is it lamb? Okay, I don't know. If you know, comment in the comment section down below what mbuzi meat is called in English. Yeah. So to get started, I'm going to add my spices in my meat. So I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. Paprika is just for color. And garlic powder. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of cumin. And you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Then I'm going to add in some salt. Lastly, I'm going to add in some cooking oil, about a tablespoon of cooking oil, not a lot. Then I'm going to use my fork and mix everything together to combine. You can see how lovely it looks. So I'm going to keep this aside and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Then next, I'm going to be chopping up my assorted bell peppers. So I'm going to start with the red one. And then I'm going to chop up about an inch of the bell peppers, like that. I'm going to keep this aside. Cut the same size as well. Don't forget to remove the membrane. And repeat the same with my green pepper. Now I'm going to show you the next step, and it's going to be very easy. So here I have my chopped up bell peppers and my goat meat over here, which is smelling amazing and it looks so good already. I'm going to move over to the stove top and on high heat, I'm going to place my grill pan. If you don't have the grill pan, you can use the normal pan. I'm going to be using my metal skewers over here. They're thrifted. If you don't have this, you can use the wooden skewers that you can readily find in the supermarket. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with my pepper. And then I'm going to add a chunk of meat there. It is that simple. You make sure that the meat is in the same size because you want the meat to cook evenly. If you're feeling like having barbecue on Sunday, you can try out this recipe in your own home, and you're going to enjoy each session of the grilling part. So this is how my skewers are looking at the moment, and I'm excited for this recipe because I know it's going to be so delicious. So the next thing is to place the skewers in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. So the pan should be smoking hot. As you can see, you can notice smoke from my pan. So this is the situation right now, and I'm loving the aroma because it smells so good. I'm going to be cooking 1 minute per side. And you can notice that the meat has fat on it because it is goat meat, and it's going to add even more flavor. You can also notice the char on the meat because, yeah, it is grilling. We are grilling in the house. So I've been flipping my meat as it cooks, and I've actually remembered how when I'm walking on the streets of Nairobi and then I notice some people making mishkaki in town, especially in the evening. It's usually so nice, even the smell, very tempting. So today I decided to show you how to make skewers at home, and they look as good as the street ones. You can notice the char on the meat. So good. It's been around 10 minutes and my viewers are ready because the chunks of meat, they're not that big. They are actually manageable with my grill pan. So now I'm going to transfer this to my plate. And I am super excited. Just look at that. So good. Skewers are ready and I have some more in my pan cooking, so I can't wait to have this with my chapati. I'm going to place them in my chapati and roll them up and yeah, devour. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. And as I said, if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love making easy and amazing recipes. Catch you on my next one. Bye.